Just in time for Easter and spring brunches, we have the top pastry chef in New York to provide expert baking tips and tricks to prepare memorable desserts and make your gatherings extra special. Award-winning pastry chef Michelle Palazzo is teaming up with Plugrà European style butter to share her secrets for elevating dessert recipes at home this Easter. Michelle leads the dessert brigade at the renowned Frenchette restaurant in New York City. Hi Michelle, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Why is it important to choose quality ingredients?
You know, as an executive pastry chef here in New York, I can tell you that better butter matters and ingredients matter. So Plugrà European style butter is made with that 82% butter fat, which is the French standard, whereas regular butter fat is only around that 80% butter fat. You know, that 2% difference may not seem like a lot, but it really produces a flakier crust and richer results, and really elevating my strawberry rhubarb eclairs that I make this time of year.
What are some of the professional baking tips that will work at home?
So I always use unsalted butter for all of my baking tips and tricks. It's really important that you can really understand what these two different butters will do for each of your baked good. And then also we want to know what type of butter to use for specific type of recipes. So if you're making something like a cake or cookies, you really want to make sure that you're using nice room temperature butter. Or if you're making something like a pie dough or scones, you really want to make sure that that butter stays as cold as possible.
Where can we go and get more information?
So for more information and all these baking tips, you can find us at plugrà.com.
Thanks for joining us, Michelle.
Thank you.